2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.